How to get $220 TEMU promo code. Let's get started. Launch your TEMU app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now from this page, you can select the items that you want to purchase and then add those items to the cart. After you're done selecting the items and adding those items to the cart, click on this cart icon. After you land to the checkout page, scroll down. Over here, you will find this section of apply coupon code. Click on it. Now over here, you can paste the coupon code and apply it. With that, you will get a certain amount as a discount. Now, how can you get the TEMU promo code? You can close this, launch your preferred browser. Now, type in TEMU promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one, Los Angeles. This is the legit one. Over here, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Scroll down. You can see that 30% coupon code, 90% offer, 15% offer, and many more. So go ahead and click on any of the coupon that you want to use. Now I can copy it. Now I can close this, launch your TEMU app, paste that coupon code over here, and then apply it. With that, you will get 30% off on your order. By applying the same process, you can use these offers as well. Likewise, you can also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for TEMU. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $220 TEMU promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.